In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start mathematics class 10th science group. In this lecture we will learn MCQ series of unit number 13 part number 2. We will start MCQs of unit number 13. Now, if the incenter and circumcenter of a triangle coincide, the triangle is an isosceles, a right triangle, and equilateral. Its correct option will be equilateral. How? Let's see. Now, you have to draw a circle and you can take a side. For example, you have to take this side 4 centimeter. This will be also 4 centimeter and also equals to 4 centimeter. All sides are equal. Now you have to use this center and you have to draw a circle inside. This circle which passes through 3 vertices of triangle is known as circumcenter, and the circle which you have to draw inside the triangle, that is known as incenter. Now MCQ is that if the incenter and circumcenter of a triangle coincide, the triangle is. So check that triangle will be equilateral. Now its correct option will be equilateral. Let's see. So you have to mark its correct option and equilateral. Now MCQ number 11. The measure of the external angle of a regular octagon. Octagon means 8 sides. So its formula I will tell you. Whenever you have to find the external angle of any regular, so you have to use this formula. 360 degree divided by n. Octagon, so octagon means 8 sides, so n here will be 8. So you have to divide. Now you have to get 45 degree. Now you have to convert 45 degree angle into radian, so you have to multiply by pi by 180 degree. Now you have to cut with 5 9 the 45, 5 3 the 15, 5 6 the, now 9 1 the 9, 9 4 the 36. So its correct option will be pi by 4. So its correct option will be pi by 4. Now next, tangents drawn at the end points of the diameter of a circle are parallel, perpendicular, intersecting. Let's see. Now this is a circle and you know that the line which passes through the center of the circle is known as diameter. So AB is a diameter. So you have to draw tangents at the end points of diameter. A and B are the end points of diameter. So you have to draw tangent which passes through A point like this, and you have to draw also tangent which passes through the B point, second tangent. So check that both tangents are parallel to each other, means to say they are having same distance and do not meet. So these are parallel. So its correct option will be parallel. So you have to tick mark on the option parallel. Now next, 13 MCQ. The lengths of two transverse tangents to a pair of circles are dash: unequal, equal, overlapping. So let's see how you can tick mark the correct option. Now you have to draw two disjoint circles. Now you have to draw first transverse tangent. Transverse tangent is that you have to take their two common points. Now you have to draw first transverse tangent, common tangent. Now you have to draw second transverse tangent. Now check that you have to draw here two transverse tangent here. Now draw arrow. So you have to draw named as A and B, and this tangent is known as C and D. Now AB and CD are equal in lengths, so its correct option will be equal. So let's see 13 MCQs. The lengths of two transverse tangents to a pair of circles are equal. So next 14 MCQs. How many tangents can be drawn from a point outside the circle? So let's see. Let's see the solution of 14 MCQs. So MCQ here is how many tangents can be drawn from a point outside the circle. So first of all you have to take P point which is outside from the circle. Now you have to draw a tangent which starts from P and passes through the circle's point. First tangent. Now second is now. Then how many tangents you can draw from the point which is outside the circle? 1 and 2. 2 tangents you can draw. So its correct option will be 2. Now next 15 MCQ is, if the distance between the centers of two circles is equal to the sum of their radii, then the circles will intersect, do not intersect, touches each other externally. So let's see how you can judge. जी, now let's see the explanation of MCQ number 15. अब ये देखिए, आपने 2 सर्कल्स ड्रॉ किए हैं जो कि एक्सटर्नली टच करते हैं इस पॉइंट पे, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे देखिए, आपने बताना है कि इफ़ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर्स ऑफ 2 सर्कल इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ देयर रेडियाई देन द सर्कल्स विल, ठीक है। अब एक इसका रेडियस ये होगा, फॉर एग्जांपल ये 3 सेंटीमीटर है, ठीक है, और सेकंड इसका रेडियस ये होगा, ये 3 सेंटीमीटर। इन दोनों रेडियस को प्लस करें तो ये आपके पास बनता है 6 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है। अब वो कह रहा है कि इफ़ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर्स ऑफ 2 सर्कल इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ देयर रेडियाई, यानी 3 + 3 6 सेंटीमीटर, इन दोनों के रेडियस को प्लस करने से आए तो सर्कल क्या होंगे, वो टच करेंगे एक्सटर्नली, तो तब ये कंडीशन होगी, ठीक है। इसी तरह 16 MCQs देखें। लेट्स सी 16 MCQ here. If the 2 circles touches externally, then the distance between their centers is equal to the 15 and 16 MCQs are same. जी, 16 MCQ का आंसर 15 MCQ में ही है। वो कहता है कि इफ़ 2 सर्कल्स टचेज एक्सटर्नली, ठीक है, अगर 2 सर्कल्स टच करते हैं एक्सटर्नली तो उनका जो डिस्टेंस होगा उनके सेंटर्स का वो इक्वल होगा, तो सम ऑफ रेडियस के ही इक्वल होगा, ठीक है। ये इसका 15 MCQ में ही जो है वो आंसर है। सम ऑफ रेडियस की इक्वल होगा, कैसे होगा, जब सम ऑफ रेडियस की इक्वल होगा तो वो एक्सटर्नली टच करेगा, ठीक है, और जब एक्सटर्नली टच करेगा तो वो सम ऑफ रेडियस की इक्वल होगा तो तब वो टच करेगा, ठीक है। नाउ लेट्स सी 17 MCQ. Okay, 17 MCQ is how many common tangents can be drawn for 2 touching circles. So let's see its solution. Let's see 17 MCQ is how many common tangents. Common tangents मतलब जो दोनों सर्कल में से मिलाते हुए, पास करते हुए गुजरे, ठीक है। अब हम देखते हैं कि इसमें से कितने टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ किए जा सकते हैं जो सर्कल्स को टच करें। एक तो टेंजेंट ये होगा, ठीक है, फर्स्ट टेंजेंट, ठीक है, एक टेंजेंट ये होगा, सेकंड टेंजेंट, ठीक है, और एक टेंजेंट जो है जहाँ से ये टच करेगा इस पॉइंट पे ड्रॉ किया जाएगा। Now check that how many tangents can be drawn for 2 touching circles. 3. 1, 2, 3. So its correct option will be 3. Last MCQs. 18. How many common tangents can be drawn for 2 disjoint circles? So let's see. 2 disjoint circle means you can draw separately. So how many tangents you can draw here? So first ट्रांसवर्स टेंजेंट, जैसे पीछे हमने ड्रॉ किया, सेकेंड आल्सो ट्रांसवर्स टेंजेंट, ठीक है, ये आपके पास टेंजेंट्स 2 आ गए। ये देखें, अब आप इस तरह से एक ड्रॉ करेंगे टेंजेंट जो कि इन दोनों सर्कल्स को टच करेगा, ये टेंजेंट नंबर 3 हो गया, ठीक है। इसी तरह आप इधर टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करेंगे और ये टेंजेंट नंबर 4 हो गया। सो लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी टेंजेंट्स यू कैन ड्रॉ for disjoint circles. 4 tangents, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the correct option is 4. So I hope you have to understand the MCQ. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें, ठीक है, और लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। इसके अलावा MCQs में अगर आपने कुछ पूछना है तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हैं, आप कमेंट्स करना भी ना भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।